Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to create a copy of your video in Canva without starting from the beginning? Canva Mobile makes it easy to duplicate existing videos and create a separate copy with just a few taps. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to duplicate videos in Canva Mobile on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your device. From the Canva home screen, tap your designs. Find and select the project you want to edit. The video editor will open. Next, select the video you want to duplicate. Tap the three-dot icon. A menu will appear. Choose Duplicate. Canva will create a copy of the selected video. You can now edit the duplicated video separately without changing the original version. Once you're finished, tap the upload icon. You can choose share or download. For this example, I'll select download. The download screen will appear. You can choose a file type and quality setting or leave the default settings as they are. Then tap download. Canva will begin downloading your video. And that's how to duplicate videos in Canva Mobile on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.